guys so much for coming out. My name is Jeff Bennett. I'm with Habitat for Humanity. This is LaTanya. She's our future Habitat homeowner. Let's give her a round of applause.
Good morning. Thank you guys for coming out.
We are really proud of LaTanya. She's been working really hard. She's been in the program since last year. Yeah, so she's been working really hard for this opportunity. I also want to thank Rob for putting together your build day today, and let's give him a round of applause. Thank you, Rob. But before we really dive in, I want to ask Rob if he would pray and ask God's blessing and safety on this day.
Pray with me, please. Heavenly Father, Lord, we thank you so much for this day that you've given us, for this weather. We just give you praise for that, Lord. We thank you for the opportunity that we can come alongside Miss LaTanya and serve with her to help her build her home, Lord. We thank you so much for her and for her diligence, Lord, through this process. We just pray that you'll give us a safe and productive working day, Lord. We give you all the praise and the glory, and I ask these things in Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen.